This is a review of the PAPIFEED 7-liter automatic cat feeder for both of your cats, or also preference for your dogs as well too. It's a 2.4 gigabytes Wi-Fi timed auto feeder with app control for remote feeding, and also it's automatic. You can see that it comes with 2 bowls, so you could feed 2 cats or pretty much a cat or a dog at the same time. And that's one of the huge advantages with the PAPIFEED automatic cat feeders. You could feed 2 animals at once. And what I want to start off by mentioning is that the satin finish looks really amazing, and also the quality is really amazing. And you can see that when I open the tray, you can see that the quantity is very large to put in all of your cats or dog food, your preference, and it's very huge in the inside. I do want to also mention the fact that it also comes with a adapter, so you could have it charged up to your electric outlet, or you could also charge it with the battery powered as well too. It also comes with a Bluetooth app that you download on your phone, so you can set the duration and time period of how much food you want to provide for your cat or dog. I would highly recommend the PAPIFEED automatic 7-liter cat feeder because of the fact that like you could control it through your Bluetooth app, and it downloads very quick, and you can set the duration and time period of how much food you want to give to your cat. It records pretty much everything as well too. This is a very huge advantage to have if you have 2 animals, or a cat or a dog, or both cats, and you're trying to feed them at once. This is a game changer, and I would highly recommend to have this in your home because of the fact that you could feed 2 pets at once. And like I mentioned, the duration you could set as well too. It's a Bluetooth app controlled. It also comes with either battery powered, or you can have it as well for your electric cord that I have it like right over here, like you see right there. I would highly recommend this if you're looking to change the experience of feeding your animals. Then this is probably one of the best accessories to get for your pets.